What's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macram here. Up to season 1, episode 3 of Iron Fist. Now, last we saw Danny Rand use the Iron Fist to break the fuck out of a psychiatric institution where Harold Meacham has surveillance installed. This was after a failed, I assume, assassination attempt by Ward. Meacham? Meacham. Episode got good, better than the passable episode 1. Episode 2, I would say, is good. Let's keep improving. Episode 3, let's get to it. Damn.
I want nothing to do with anything, Rand. As you can see.
Call us.
Get out.
But we're already $1 million over the appraised value. Why is this so important?
Oh, you don't need to know that. And I want you to put joy onto Petit.
This is Champ Flat Bill Black story cap with the hologram tags. White man grins, red rubber ties.
You never should have gotten that close.
You mean like this?
You see, the tiger form uses internal force, not external strength.
Finally.
So it's not. You're working too hard. Too much external force. It's internal force you want to master.
And you should master silence.
She doesn't get us work yet?
But again, I have to change my name.
The world already thinks Danny Rand is dead. Let's just leave it that way. You can pick a name you love. You can start all over. You just gotta.
Wow.
Danny. Hey. Danny. So you're gonna be the guy who walks away from $100 million.
It's not about money. I thought you understood.
So did I.
I have to live in the real world, Danny. This is how it works.
Wow.
In the legal department, my dad's office. You called his secretary Margaret a hatchet-faced bitch. I was standing right there. He gave me $5 to keep quiet.
Where was my office?
You didn't have one. They put you in the copy room.
My desk?
It was a folding table with a file under one leg because the floor it was too uneven. Yeah?
It matters.
Jerry fucking Hogarth. I thought we were only get Claire. You got Jerry Hogarth too? I'm down. That's his sister?
Too important.
Okay.
Oh.
What?
Oh shit.
We are disappointed.
Well, I'm doing everything you ask. I've got my best people working on the pier.
Why did you leave?
There was an emergency I had to attend to.
What emergency? On your knees.
The glass.
Kneel.
Shit.
Quit to your nephew. Tonight.
How the hell did you manage this?
Rand has many friends. We'd like to add you to that list.
And the pier is my buyer.
Look at his face.
sure. The x-rays from that period are on that shelf to your right.
Ho, 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 ha, ha, ha.
Isn't it obvious? I'm not your sister. He's not your brother. We don't want you here.
She calls herself the Daughter of the Dragon!
Sure you want to do something?
Tell me how you again, I dare you.
Oh, I like it when you talk dirty. Okay, then.
She's randomly mean to this guy. They're using inappropriate terms. To make sure you don't get assassinated.
Get the Floyd Mayweather shit. This
Shit. This is a biting ass bitch, man. Those punches are awful.
I was always a poor speller.
This doesn't prove anything. Anybody could have made this.
Look closely. There was a child's fingerprint in the unfinished part of the clay, right next to Joy's name.
Aww.
How did they get this?
I have no idea.
I could have just taken the money and had a great life.
It's my name. And it means something.
I do what I want.
No, actually, I do what I want. I can walk out of here, go to the corner for a cup of coffee, go to the movies, talk to people on the street.
Who's that, Ward? tried to watch it 4 separate times, and 4 separate times I couldn't tell Push Him Out the Window. Therefore, I'm going to assume that I'm not supposed to know Push Him Out the Window. But with dark hair, it looked like it's Ward. Maybe, maybe not. I will say them adding some complexity to both Ward and Joy. Is that her name? I enjoyed. Though Joy is more inconsistent than complex. The Hand, Madame Gao showing up, threatening Harold. Poor Harold. A little more backstory on why he's doing what he's doing. I really liked... First of all, I'm really glad that Danny's getting some wins stacked up here. First 2 episodes were... First episode and then the next 57 minutes of the second episode were just fucking brutal. So it's nice to see him get some wins here, especially that key holder thing that Joy, I assume, sent to Danny with his fingerprint on the back. That was big. Jerry, always happy to see somebody connected to the universe. It was nice to see Colleen and Iron Fist finally interact as combatants. And very good. I like that they established really early that we've seen Colleen's pretty badass. She can't sniff Danny. Though she did try to use some of his techniques in the fight. I also enjoyed that fight. Those punches, they looked atrocious. That could have been on a fucking sitcom. I would say if I wasn't already going to force myself to watch, which I do, or I am, this probably would have sold me on it. I probably would be down to watch more if I wasn't. It's comic book shit. I'm gonna watch it, so this would have done it if it wasn't. I don't know when I'm getting the next one up. Today is, I'm assuming, because I don't know when I posted. I'm gonna assume today is Wednesday night. I'm going to try to get another one up. If not Thursday night, Saturday night. We'll see what happens. Post your comments down below. However, like, share, and subscribe.